Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So there are two AI tools, both free to try, and both used by millions of people at work every day. But they are not the same, and depending on what you need, one might suit you better than the other. So which one should you actually choose? Let's find out. ChatGPT is made by OpenAI. It's the one that started it all back in 2022, and it quickly became popular for its versatility. Today, it can write text, search the web for information, generate images, and even talk to you out loud using voice features. This makes it a great option if you want a tool that can handle a variety of tasks, whether it's brainstorming ideas, answering questions, or creating multimedia content. Claude is made by Anthropic. It came a bit later, but it's been catching up fast, and in some areas, it's already winning. For example, it's known for a more human-like writing style and better handling of complex instructions, which makes it ideal for professional documents or tasks that need precision. For writing, both are solid. ChatGPT is fast and creative. Give it a fun brief, and it delivers punchy copy with good tone. For instance, you could ask it to write a social media caption for a new product launch, and it would produce multiple engaging options in seconds. But Claude writes in a way that feels more natural and more human. Less filler, less buzzwords. If you're drafting reports, emails, or long articles, Claude tends to need less editing. After quick social posts or ad copy, ChatGPT is still a strong pick, especially if you want something snappy and attention-grabbing. When it comes to long documents, this is where Claude really pulls ahead. Claude can read up to 200 words in one go, which is roughly equivalent to a short story or the introduction of a book. GPT handles 128,000 characters in total, which is more than enough for most tasks. But when working with extremely detailed contracts, research papers, or thick reports, Claude stays focused and doesn't lose track of context. GPT, on the other hand, can sometimes drift or give generic summaries on very long files, which may require extra corrections. Developers are moving to Claude fast. One big survey found that 70% of developers now prefer it for coding tasks. Claude writes cleaner code, handles big projects more efficiently, and is more honest when it doesn't know something, which reduces debugging time. ChatGPT is still good for coding, especially smaller projects or learning purposes. But Claude tends to have the edge for professional developers working on complex applications. Need one tool for everything? ChatGPT wins this round. It makes images, browses the web, has voice mode, and connects to hundreds of apps through integrations. This makes it a powerful all-in-one solution for content creators who want to do research, generate media, and write text in a single workflow. Claude, at the moment, doesn't generate images and has fewer third-party connections, so it's more specialized in text-heavy tasks. Both have free plans to test their features. Claude Pro costs around $17 a month, and ChatGPT Plus is $20 a month, so Claude is actually a bit cheaper. This is worth considering if you plan to upgrade and use the tool daily for professional work. Here's a simple answer. Use Claude if you write a lot, work with big files, or code, because it stays focused and produces clean, human-like output. Use ChatGPT if you need an all-in-one tool that can handle image creation, web browsing, and app integrations. And honestly, many people use both because they each excel in different areas, making them complementary rather than direct competitors. Well, try the free version of each, and you'll quickly figure out which one fits your workflow better. Play around, experiment, and see which one feels more intuitive for your style of work. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.